How you doing, guys? Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're taking a look at an absolutely gorgeous 70 Le Mans that has been converted into a GTO, has all the correct GTO components, painted a beautiful burgundy paint with a white top, black interior, super nice car. Now, this was a California car. It's got all the original panels and all the parts that they used to clone this into a GTO are actual GTO parts. They're not reproductions. Super slick. You see they did the judge wing on the back. It's got a new convertible top with a glass rear window. I'll tell you, I really like this car. Super nice car. Bumpers all been re-chromed here on the back. See, it's got the correct exhaust tips and the rear valance for the GTO. Nice and straight down the sides. Super nice car. This does have a 7400 in it. It's got factory air conditioning. It's got power steering, power front disc brakes. This is a super nice car. The front end all fits real nice. There's no cracks or anything in the nose. So all the door jambs, beautiful in this car. Very nice. They did put an aftermarket radio in the dash. It's a direct fit, AM/FM cassette. It's got your factory bucket seats and center console. It's got the comfort weave seat covers. See, the jambs look beautiful in this car. Super nice. This car is all the original body panels and floors. It's got power top. See how nice the trunk floor looks? See the top boot here. You got your factory jack and spare. Tell you, it's just a super cool car, guys. And this thing is just ready to cruise and enjoy. Dash is real nice. Doors are nice and clean. Just as you would expect from an all original panel car. Doors shut beautiful. And again, this has got a 400 in it. It's got an Edelbrock and aluminum intake and carb. It's got your factory air conditioning. It's got correct air cleaner, the dual snorkel. Just a beautiful car. It's got the little eyelids on the inner headlights there. It's kind of cool. You don't see many of them. Just a super, super nice car, guys. I tell you, this burgundy with the white top really, really looks good together. Sounds good off the exhaust. Beautiful car, guys. The top works just like it should. Nice power top. He's gonna get a little sun on his head there today. He might have wanted to wear a hat. Super cool car, guys. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. Have a great day, guys.